So, this is a little quick video, just a reminder of something. So, a lot of people go through certain situations and they love when they partner, their ex, whatever you want to call that person. They don't take y'all serious, and somebody told me to make a video about this. The reason why they don't take y'all serious is because you don't stick to your word. You don't stick to what you're saying. You'll say one thing and do another. So therefore, they don't take you serious. They walk out your life, you chase after them. You know, they'll say one thing, you'll respond to what they say. So this is the best way for them to take you serious. If they do something or walk out your life, let them go. And a lot of times you gotta call people bluff on things, because a lot of times they'll say something and they don't really do it. So the thing is, what you're gonna be doing is this. If you say you're gonna do something, do it, and do not switch it up. See, when you switch it up, people don't take you serious. They're like, okay, this person ain't for real. Because keep in mind, if you give somebody an inch, they're gonna take a mile, and they're gonna run with it. So therefore, mean what you say. Mean what you say, and do what you say. And therefore, people would respect you, and they won't, like, goddamn, try to take advantage of you. See, the thing is about people trying to manipulate you and do all these type things. They only do that stuff because you allow them. You gotta accept the manipulation. Think about what you're getting yourself into. A lot of times, your power comes from what you do not let yourself get dragged into. So pay attention, watch people, study people. Find out what their motives is and things of that nature. So when people just jaw jacking and all that type stuff, see where they coming from. Figure out what their motives is. Because everybody got a motive. Everybody. So the more of this video is a little short video. If you want your ex or anybody to take you serious, don't be laughing up in their face. Mean what you say. Mean what you say. Be serious. Just don't say something and just do something totally different. No, if you say you're gonna do something, do it. Point blank, period. And people will respect you and take you serious. A lot of times these people gonna be trying you. Let's go for your job, family members, children. Children, you can learn a lot from children, because children do this all the time. They try to push your buttons and try to see how far they can get with you and stuff like that. And grown-ups ain't nothing but grown children. That's it. That's all. Grown-ups is nothing but a grown child that with material things. That's it. But if you say something, do it. If you can't remember what you say, write it down so you can remember as a reminder. And with that being said, if you need to get in contact with me, this was just a little short video, but if you need to get in contact with me, send me an email on what's going on, and I'd love to help you. But remember, your attention is power. Pay attention to what you're paying attention to. Certain things you don't need to be paying attention to. If it don't benefit you, cut that shit off. Now with that being said, y'all take it easy.
One of the things that never change. You gotta keep pushing on. The sun don't rain all the time. There's gonna be some heartache and pain. Woke up Sunday morning, got a little bad news today. They say my life ain't worth living, and time is slowly